In order to transfer work groups while clocking in, first clock in with your badge number. Once it is accepted, hit the F1 function key, enter your badge number one more time, select the new work group you're transferring to, and you will automatically be transferred. To transfer during a shift, simply hit the F1 key, enter your badge number, and select the work group you will be transferring to. You can then see on the employee's time card, in the work group column, one transfer just as they were punching in, and one transfer at a later time.